now, Mintal. Happy Sunday, everyone, my viewers, my friends, followers, and everyone. Sharing you my jeepney ride at this moment. We drop by Gaisano Capital for passengers to go down and to go up again. Another passengers. That's the Gaisano Mintal, Santo Niño, Davao City. Just 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes ride, and I'm in the subdivision already. So I'm riding stop for a moment. This is now my new world when I retired from the service. So I love my double life. Double life is here again. So we stop again for another passenger rather to come up. Showing you the traffic by this moment. That's the moment with details. Lugar lang, Pipinyo. Already arrived. I have to go down. Sandali lang ha, kay muna pa. I have to go down. So this is it. Just few minutes and I'm here already. My destination. That's the jeep that ride a while ago in the overpass over there. I have just go down. Magula ko na naog. Okay lang. So this is my double life, showing you my day in Davao City. Wonderful place, my new world. That's the Choice Mart in the exact area. If you're going to go to downtown, you wait here for the jeepney or for the taxi. Over there is going to downtown Ulas. And on my left side, you like to go to Mintal or Kalinan. This is a day in Davao City today. Your vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Casillo Don, live and alive here in Davao City, in front of 7-Eleven. Thank you for joining me my travel today as I show you my a day in the life of the retired teacher. Thank you everyone, kamabuhay, my mabuhay years. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me, my Facebook account, my reels, and my page, Erlinda Bing Casillo Rindon, including my 2 Facebook account, the one with a red profile and the yellow profile. Thank you everyone. Until my next vlog, mabuhay years. Thank you. Kamabuhay. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing Casillo Rindon, live and alive here in Davao City. Until my next vlog, thank you for watching my vlogs and my videos and everything. Mabuhay!